For the first time since News 4 reported this story, representatives of students who are suing the university at Buffalo following a pro-Palestinian protest that turned violent last year are speaking out. Our Dylan Morello joins us here live in studio with the details. Dylan?
Rob, students and faculty at UB, among others, are filing a lawsuit against more than 40 police officers spanning 10 law enforcement agencies, the city of Buffalo, and the president of UB, alleging a violent dispersal of a pro-Palestinian protest last May.
If that's not the purpose for college campuses, then to have the right to speak on matters of very intense international interest, then I really don't know what the Constitution is protecting.
This footage from a year ago shows the more than 50 students gathering at UB North for a peaceful protest against the war in Gaza, according to the plaintiffs. Police were called after 5 tents were set up on campus, which is against the university's policy.
Why 100 policemen are responding to a peaceful protest of 50 people, I still don't know.
UB said that 15 people, 7 students, and 8 people unaffiliated with the school were arrested. Charges against them included loitering, trespassing, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest, all of which were eventually dropped. A fact the lawsuit, filed by attorney Robert Corp of Lipsitz, Green, Chimay, Cambria, states was not a public safety operation, but a coordinated act of suppression.
Also, very illuminatingly, UB did not hold any of the students or faculty who were involved responsible or guilty for anything. There was no punishment doled out by UB, as one would expect there would have been if any of these people had done anything wrong.
A UB spokesperson tells News 4 the school doesn't comment on pending litigation. At the time the demonstration was broken up, we're told the university believed protesters were planning to reestablish an overnight encampment and came after multiple discussions, communications, and warnings to protesters.
The concept that overnight begins at 8:23 on a college campus is really hard for me to believe, and it's also something that was criticized heavily by UB law faculty in a letter to the UB Spectrum last year.
Now, the state lawsuit seeks $25 million in damages, accuses responding officers of menacingly patrolling UB's campus and harassing students who tried to leave or enter buildings. Other accusations listed are assault, battery, false arrest, false imprisonment, and negligence, leading to medical treatment and mental health care. In the studio, Dylan Morello, News 4.